Gajar ka halwa. First in a pan I would be adding some ghee. 1 tablespoon. I'll be adding around 50 grams of ghee, friends. And the carrots are around 350 grams. Grated already, which I have kept separately. So let this melt off. Now in the ghee I would be adding around 350 grams of grated carrots. And now let's start mixing it. You have to mix it for at least 15 to 20 minutes till the water is not evaporated from the carrots. Mix it well. I have mixed this for almost 5 to 7 minutes. Now I will cover it on low flame for approximately 15 minutes, and in between I will keep mixing it so that it doesn't get burnt. So before I add the sugar and milk, let's just cover it for around 15 minutes, but do not forget to mix it in between. Okay, chalo. I have removed the lid. Let me mix it and check it. Now into this I will add the milk. 1 big cup of milk. 1, 2 cups of milk. I will mix this and cook it for approximately 10 more minutes. But after the milk, before covering it, let me add the sugar as well. 1, 2. I have added 9 tablespoons of sugar. You can add the sugar according to your taste, less or more. Now separately in a pan, I would be frying the dry fruits. You can add whichever dry fruits you wish to. I would be frying a little bit of cashews and raisins. Frying it in ghee. It's up to you what you want to fry it in. While this is cooking, I would add a pinch of cardamom powder into it and mix it. I have added little extra milk so that the carrots gets cooked well. If you want, you can even add little less milk compared to what I have added. It's drying up slowly. It's been last 15 minutes I've been mixing this. Takes a very long time for the carrots to cook. You have to have a lot of patience. Don't just leave it, if not it will get burnt. Keep mixing it. It's taken me almost half an hour to mix it so that it doesn't stick and it dries up well. Now into this I will add the dry fruits, the toasted dry fruits. Let's mix it. As you can see, the halwa is ready. Now let me take it out in a bowl and show you the entire result. Here friend, the delicious Gajar ka halwa is ready. Hope you like this video, friends. For more such videos, please do like, share and subscribe for more such videos. Thank you. Bye.